The office lights flickered on 8:59 a.m. And like every Monday, Ion dragged himself inside as if the building had gravity stronger than Earth itself. He slumped into his chair, staring at the monitor like it had personally offended him. "Another week," he whispered. "Another cycle." Ion wasn't lazy. He wasn't ungrateful. He was simply tired of feeling like Mondays were the enemy he could never defeat. All morning, he worked silently. Emails, spreadsheets, reports monotony, wrapped in fluorescent lighting. Every task felt like wading through wet cement. Then, during lunch, something small happened. A senior colleague passed by, glanced at a report Ion had made, and said, "Hey, this part is cleaner than last week." Nice improvement. Ion blinked. Improvement? He hadn't noticed. He'd been too busy hating the week to realize he was getting better. That night, as he headed home, a sentence echoed, "Cleaner than last week." He pulled out his notebook, and for the first time, he wrote, "One thing I can improve tomorrow." The next day, he improved a sentence, then a layout, then a formula on a sheet he used to fear touching. And slowly, the days changed. Not because the tasks disappeared, but because he did something tiny each day that made his work feel lighter. Mondays stopped being monsters. They became checkpoints. Where can I get 1% better this week? By month's end, his manager called him in. "Ion, your growth is noticeable." What changed? Ion smiled, almost embarrassed. "I stopped waiting to feel passionate and started building it." The manager nodded. "That's how it works. Passion follows progress." As Ion walked out of the office, he realized something powerful. Mondays weren't the problem. His mindset was. And with each small improvement, he wasn't escaping his job, he was shaping himself inside it. Somewhere along the way, the week stopped controlling him. He started leading it.